The royal couple, hand in hand, walked the red carpet at the Carib Theatre, with Meghan donning a stunning black ensemble and Harry opting for a more casual suit without a tie. The film, set to hit theaters on February 14, stars Kingsley Ben-Adir as the iconic Bob Marley and Lashana Lynch as his wife, Rita. It promises to celebrate the life and music of the legendary singer, bringing his message of love and unity to the big screen. This isn't the first time Prince Harry and Meghan Markle have graced Jamaican shores. Before their engagement, the couple visited the Caribbean country in 2017 for the wedding of Harry's friend Tom Skippy Inskip to Lara Hughes Young. Now, their return is marked by a surprise appearance at the heart of Jamaica's entertainment scene. But that's not all the royal buzz we've got for you today. Prince Harry recently attended the Living Legends of Aviation Awards in Beverly Hills, where he was honored. Unfortunately, Meghan couldn't make it due to a family matter involving one of their children. On another note, King Charles, Prince Harry's father, is set to undergo treatment this week for an enlarged prostate, as announced by Buckingham Palace. Despite this, the 75-year-old king is expected to continue fulfilling his constitutional duties. In a separate update, Kate Middleton underwent planned abdominal surgery last week at the London clinic. Sources assure us that the Princess of Wales is doing well, and the issue is non-cancerous. And there you have it, folks, a royal red carpet surprise, movie premieres, and the latest updates from the British royal family. What are your thoughts on Meghan and Harry's unexpected night out and the recent royal updates? Share your opinions in the comments below.